Welcome to this discussion of comma splices and run-on sentences. What is a comma splice? A comma splice occurs when two sentences are separated only by a comma instead of by a period or a semicolon. And what is a run-on sentence? A run-on sentence is when there is no mark of punctuation separating two complete sentences. Let's look at some sample sentences. My father taught me to keep friends close. Then he told me to keep enemies closer. Okay, so let's combine these two sentences. So look at this example. Is it correct? No. This is a comma splice because there's only a comma between the sentences. Alright, what about this example? Is it correct? No. This is a run-on sentence. There's no mark of punctuation between the two sentences. Now, on to ways of correcting these type of errors. The simplest way to correct the error is to place a period between the two complete sentences. Another method of correction is to place a comma and a conjunction between the two complete sentences. Here's one example using and here's another example using but. A third method of correction is to place a semicolon between the two complete sentences, as in this example. You can also use a transitional word after the semicolon. Another option that writers have is to make one of the sentences incomplete. This is called subordination. So in this example, the original sentence, my father taught me to keep friends close, has been made into a dependent clause that can now be added to a complete sentence without making an error. Let's review. What are the 4 ways to correct comma splices and run-on sentences? First, use a period between the sentences. Second, use a comma and conjunction. Third, try using a semicolon. Or fourth, make one of the sentences an incomplete sentence. At this point, you should have a general understanding of comma splices and run-ons. Now, take some time to go through and to do some exercises before taking the post test.